Hello friends, today we will be learning a new concept in geometry. In the last session we have seen about the comparison. Now in this session we will be seeing about shapes. You have heard about shapes? What is a shape? A shape of an object tells us that what is it exactly looks like, right? The sides of a particular object decides the shape. For example, we have seen few objects which is round. We have seen few objects which is very flat, right? So, if I say, what is this? Yes, this is a fruit. It is a guava. What is the shape of this fruit? Can you say? Yes, it is round in shape, right? This is round in shape. This guava is round in shape. Now, if I take this, what is this? Yes, this is a lead. And is it round? Can you say this is round? No, it is not round. It is flat. How many sides it has? Shall we count? 1, 2, 3, 4. So, this lid has got 4 sides, right? And it is flat in shape, right? This fruit is round in shape, whereas this lid is flat in shape. So, friends, today we will be learning about the concept of round and flat. Okay? Now, when I take this particular object, what is this object called as? Yes, this is a duster. And what is the shape of this? Is it a round or is it flat? Very good. This is flat. We have learnt that there are two forms of shapes. What are the two forms of shapes we see? Yes, it is the round and the flat shapes, right? So, in flat shapes, we can have square, we can have triangle, we can have rectangle because we can count the sides of these shapes. Here, now, what shape is this? Yes, this is a rectangle. Can you count the sides of this shape? 1, 2, 3 and 4. So, this rectangle has got 4 sides. Now, when I keep this duster like this, can you see this? Yes, this is called as the edge. In a flat surface, when the sides of each and every shape is called as the edge. And the 4 points you see here, can you see the 4 points? Here? Yes. So these 4 points are called as corners. Okay. So the and the corners are available or are found only in flat shapes. Okay. You cannot see them in round shape. As I showed you the picture, what was this? This is a fruit. It's a guava fruit which is round in shape, right? Can you find any edge or any corner here? No, we cannot find any edge or corner. It is round in shape, right? So, the round shapes do not have any edge or a corner. So, what we learned now is the round shape has got no edge and corner. Okay. In flat shape, we have got the edges and the corners. Okay. For example, now what shape is this? This is a square. What shape is this? Very good. This is a rectangle. What shape is this? This is a triangle. How many sides can you see in the square? 1, 2, 3, 4. So, the square has got 4 sides. Right? Now, in this triangle, how many sides this triangle has? 1, 2, 3. Right? So, it has got 3 sides. The tip of these shapes, the tip part of these shapes are called as corners. Okay, where do you find corner here? The tip portion. Right? And these portions are called as edges. Right? To make it more clear, I will draw a bigger diagram so that it is clear for me which is the edge and which is a corner. I will take a big square. Right? Now, in this big square, this portion is my edge. How many edges it has? 1, 2, 3 and 4. It has got 4 edges. And this tips, the end tips are my corners. So, how many corners does this square has? Again, it has 4 corners. So, as I said earlier, a flat shape has got a edge and a corner. And what are the different flat shapes? It is my triangle, square, rectangle, right? And the round shape has got no corners and no edges. Okay? So, can you name a few round objects? What are the round objects? Very good. Ball. Everyone likes, no? Do you like playing with ball? Yes. The big one, small one, the colorful ones, right? So, the ball is a round object. It has got no edges and no corners. Okay? Can you give me an example of a square? What can be an example of a square? Very good. Book. Right? You use it in daily life. You take it to your school, right? You use your notebooks for studying, writing, everything. So, can you find the edges in your book? Yes, you have 4 edges and 4 corners in your notebook. Fine? So, is this concept clear? Did you all enjoy learning this concept? Fine. So, we will be moving to the next concept later. Okay?